Ever feel like your Android phone is getting slow, laggy, or not responding smoothly? The reason might be too many apps running in the background. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to close running apps on your Android phone the right way to boost performance instantly. To begin, unlock your phone and swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then hold for a second. On some Android devices, you may need to tap the Recent Apps button instead, which is usually shown as a square icon or 3 vertical lines, depending on your phone brand and navigation settings. Once the Recent Apps screen opens, you will see all the apps that are currently running or stored in the background. These apps continue using small amounts of memory and resources, which can sometimes slow your phone down, especially if many apps are open at the same time. To close individual apps, simply swipe them up, left or right depending on your device interface. This removes them from the background and frees up system resources instantly. If you want a faster option, look for the Close All or Clear All button, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen, and tap it to close all running apps at once with a single action. Pro tip: don't make a habit of closing apps repeatedly. Android is designed to manage background apps intelligently. Only close apps when your phone is lagging, overheating, or feeling unusually slow. That's it. Your device should now feel noticeably smoother and more optimized for daily use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.